video, I'll be counting a short list of the strangest planets in the universe observed to date. The planet J1407b, located 400 light years away from Earth. This planet has a ring system 200 times larger than Saturn's. If J1407b, look, let's just call it Super Saturn. If Super Saturn were to replace Saturn's location in our solar system and its current orbit, it would appear much larger than the full moon. If people thought Saturn was the jewel of the solar system, well, J1407b is the jewel of the universe. But let's not jump into jewels too quickly, because the planet 55 Cancri E is literally just a massive diamond glittering in space like a disco ball. The reason behind why it's just a diamond is because it's carbon rich. Since the planet is orbiting its star so close, the intense heat and pressure instantly turns the carbon composition into unpolished, solid diamond. The gigantic space diamond is so huge, it has been priced in incomprehensible $26.9 non-nillion. That being said, if you were to somehow travel a distance of 40 light years to the planet and headed out with a pickaxe and brought back some of the diamonds to Earth, just the sheer amount you brought back would crash the diamond supply and make these gems completely and utterly worthless instantly. So you better look out, because you'll be receiving a lot of slaps from a lot of pissed off women, especially the ones that have just got engaged. The planet Gliese 436b is an ice planet, but get this, it's constantly on fire. Yes, you heard me. But how can this be? How can this defy the current understanding of chemistry and physics? Well, it's so close to its parent star that it constantly burns. But how come the ice never melts? Well, gravity is playing a massive role. The gravity is so intense, it compacts the ice into a more dense form, preventing it from ever evaporating. Now, you better grab yourself a steel umbrella, because HD 189.77.3b, where it constantly rains glass sideways. This planet's atmosphere is abundant of silicon particles, which gives it its awesome blue colour. But because of this planet's extremely high surface temperatures, these silicon particles condense into a solid glass that flies around the planet sideways in its endless 6,500 km/h winds. And you thought Sharknado was bad. Inside the Crux constellation, the Southern Cross as Aussies call it, lies the loneliest planet in the universe to date, dubbed 106906b. This planet is 11 times bigger than Jupiter, and let me tell you something, Jupiter is fucking enormous. The reason to why this planet is so lonely is because it orbits its host star 20 times the space between the Sun and Neptune, and Neptune being 4 billion kilometers away. Just over 700 light years away from home lies TRES 2b. This planet is the darkest planet known. Why? Because it reflects less than 1% of light it absorbs, due to the light absorbing gases that make up the bulk of the planet. It even reflects less light than coal and black acrylic paint. Gliese 581c is a planet that could host extraterrestrial life. Even though it could theoretically support life, it does not look like Earth one bit. It orbits a tiny red dwarf star, and as it's being tidally locked, one side of the planet is always facing the star, being roasted at scorching temperatures, and the other side facing permanently away from the star, being solid freezing cold ice. So how can it support life in any way? Well, there is a narrow strip of land in between both hot and cold sides that is a perfect temperature to support life. Scientists have even broadcasted a signal to the planet in hopes of alien life to pick it up and send one back. Since the light would be a crimson red colour, plants would have to use infrared light for photosynthesis, therefore giving the plants a black colour instead of green. Nicknamed the Water World, GJ12146, its entire surface, length, width and depth wise is nothing but liquid water, and it is so deep the water runs until it hits the planet's core. The planet is every fisherman's dream and could not imagine the amount of marine life beneath the uncharted seas. Thanks for watching, please like, comment, share and sub for more.